So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito ipagpapatuloy po natin yung series of videos natin kabola kung saan po binibigay natin yung top 3 candidates per position kabola, kung sino yung unang player na matatrade po sa 2025. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. Pero before that, dito nga muna tayo sa comments po ng mga fans. Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman na idol. Thank you so much, Merry Christmas. Regarding to Encho Serrano, sabi niya dito kabola, Peter Patrick Garcia, possibly si Encho ang gusto pitasin ng TNT, kahalili ni Castro kahit nasa Phoenix ang right ni Serrano. Sino ba ibibigyan ng TNT sa Phoenix kung future draft picks? Ganun sabi niya kabola. Pwede rin naman, di ba? TNT can target Serrano if they can of course make the right trade kabola with Phoenix, di ba? Malamang they can offer something naman na magugustuhan po yan ng Phoenix. So this is a possibility. Pa-shoutout, sabi ni Sir Ronald Barbosidad, Gani Kaulon. Coach Tab ang bagay sa SMB. And not for me, of course, we want to see him kabola in the PBA, and San Miguel Beermen will be a very, very interesting team for him to handle kabola. Nandun si Fajardo, Tab Baldwin with Fajardo and CJ Perez. That will be a very interesting team to see. Converge, Serrano, thumbs up. Sabi naman ni Loida Gutierrez. Of course, one of the potential po na teams talaga na mapwede puntahan ni Serrano. Mas wala na pong iba kundi Converge kabola. Now, let's talk about kabola, the fans of the Alaska Aces kabola. Ganda kasi nitong article nitong si Sir Snowbado eh. Inipaya siya yung mga old fans po ng Alaska. They are slowly but surely returning kabola to support yung mismong franchise na bumili din po ng Alaska, which is Converge kabola. And of course, here different fans here, they have interesting statements po in this article kabola. It's of course Alaska has been the bearer of fairness kabola, of parity in the PBA for more than 2 decades kabola. So nung wala sila, talagang malaking kalawalan yun kabola. Pero now kabola, Converge is there, and these fans, these old fans kabola, these loyal fans are trying to redeem themselves and return and support itong Converge. Now let us just hope kabola that Converge can keep it up. Mahirap pa rin naman yun eh, keep up, lalo na, diba? Ang kumbaga kalaban nila together with Reno Shine, together with Phoenix kabola, are two conglomerates na may tagtagtong team. And of course, diba, the rumored farm teams kabola, it is not that easy. Kaya sana kung maaari, diba, makapagdagdag pa po sila ng independent teams kabola. Sabi naman ni Team Cone kabola, never say die mantra is still part of Ginebra's culture kabola. I am actually in agreement with Coach Tim Cone. It's a part of the culture na lang kabola. Kasi culture kabola nandun pa din, pero kung sasabihin mo kabola na nasa kanila yon or ini-embody pa rin ng team currently yung never say die po ng Ginebra, I do not think ini-embody pa rin po ng current team ni Coach Tim Cone yun. First things first kabola, they already have for me currently the most talented lineup with the addition of Troy Rosario, and without question of health kabola, they have the most talented overall po na lineup ngayon. So never say die, it will be hard to say na embodied po yan ng team na may pinakamalakas po na lineup, di ba? Overall. Now here is now our top 3 guard candidates po na unang matitrade kabola next year. Number 3 po natin sa atin pong listahan kabola na unang matitrade po next year is wala na pong iba kundi si Paul Lee kabola. Of course, may statement po yung management na hindi daw nila ititrade si Paul Lee. Pero, di ba, paano pag nagkaroon ng bagong coach, di ba? Paul Lee, knowing the age kabola, pero knowing the trade name value, the trade value kabola, malamang Paul Lee is the easiest way to get a young superstar for Magnolia kabola. Na isang partner nila kay Lucero. Jericho Cruz will be my number 2. Dito naman, veteran proven kabola na pwedeng gamitin po ng San Miguel Beermen to get a much younger piece kabola. Tulad lang din na ginawa nila kay Terence Roima. They can now use that again or do that again with Jericho Cruz. Number 1 ko, Mark Nonoy, which can be actually the target of San Miguel kabola. Mark Nonoy still young, very promising kabola. So kung magtatalo pa rin po ang San Miguel at sa Ginebra, they fail to win the championship, they could target Mark Nonoy. Kabakabal sa parigay mo, sino sa tatlong taong unang matatrade? Comment na po sa baba.